Welcome to my channel 2050 Upload. Here we show you future. For thousands of years, the kitchen belonged only to humans. But something new is stepping inside, and it's watching everything. It observes, analyzes, and understands ingredients. It doesn't smell food, it reads it, like data. Freshness and quality are measured instantly. Every slice is intentional, because mistakes are no longer allowed. Precision replaces guesswork. What looks simple is actually thousands of calculations per second. And this is where it changes everything: the heat. The process flows seamlessly. No hesitation, no wasted motion. Humans guess timing. This machine never does. Heat is controlled in real time. Every second is adjusted, not estimated. Every second it adjusts. Because perfection isn't optional. Timing, chemistry, and balance are constantly recalculated. But cooking isn't just science, it's taste. Taste is no longer subjective. It becomes measurable information. And somehow, the machine learns yours. Preferences are learned, remembered, and refined with every meal. It plates the meal carefully, like it understands presentation. Presentation matters, and machines never rush perfection. No stress, no rushing. Only consistency. A meal designed exactly as intended. So when machines cook better than us, what happens to cooking? For more future stories, subscribe to 2050 Upload.